We're going to create a new page and then change some of the default settings in the theme so that we can start with a blank canvas. So to create a new page, go to Pages, and then click Add New. We're going to make the home page, so let's name it Home. And we're going to turn off some of the settings here. Because we want a blank canvas. Click Publish. Just take a look. So this is what you should get, a pretty empty page. Now go back, and we're going to click Edit with Elementor. Now what this does is that it tells WordPress that you want to edit this page using the visual editor. So this is what it looks like. Now we'll come back to this later. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. So now let's go back, and we're going to change a couple more default settings. Now on the left hand side, go to Settings, click on Reading, and you should see this page. What we'll do now is set the default home page to land on the home page that we just created. By default, WordPress wants to show you a home page with all your articles, your latest blog posts, but since we don't have any, and all we want is a simple one-pager, we're going to choose a static page. Choose the page we just created, called Home, and click Save. Next, we'll remove some of the default installed widgets. So go to Appearance, and then click on Widgets. Here, on the right side, you have Main, Sidebar, Header, and these are the sections of your page, and you can install widgets in them. But what we want is to keep them all empty. So if you see any widgets inside these areas, drag them to the left to remove it. The left-hand side is where you have all the widgets, like archives and audio. You don't need these. So right now, this looks good. Let's move on. Lastly, I want to show you the final spot where you can change your theme settings. Go to Appearances and click Customize. Chances are, if there's something you want to change to your theme, whether it be like the footer or topography, it's most likely in these pages. And this might change, it might look different depending on what kind of theme you installed. But just as an FYI, this is where you can find those settings and tweak them to your liking. That's it. So now you should have a blank canvas for your website. And in the next video, we're going to dive into how to use the Elementor Visual Designer to build and customize your website.